Okay, today I need to replace this sprinkler riser. I clipped with the ride-on mower the other day. It's broken at the threads down the bottom, and the threads will be stuck inside the pipe fitting. I'll show you how to get those out. I always bring a little kneeling pad cushion with me to save my knees. Yeah, getting a bit older now, so the knees don't like kneeling down on the hard ground all the time. Alright, first I just got to expose the joint, the fitting. And I put this irrigation in. I deliberately didn't bury it too deep, sink it too deep in the ground for just this sort of occasion. I knew you'd have to dig it up to replace things. You see that's broken. Just getting that off. Down at the threads. The rest of the thread is stuck inside this fitting. I just get a hammer and a small screwdriver, the thin end, and you can see a line around there that where the riser thread from the sprinkler is just touching the side of the fitting. You want to go in between that line with a couple of little taps. I try to aim it away from the side of the fitting a bit, just a tiny bit, so I don't damage the threads in the fitting. I'll do this a few times going around the edge. Separate the broken threads from the fitting. The saddle, we call them up here. Don't know what other people call them. Sometimes they come out easier than others. Sometimes you've got to tap it a few more times. Pry it away from the edge. Getting there. I'm sure there's people out there that have a different way of doing it, and this has worked for me. And yeah, I have hit a few of them with the mower, so I've had to do this several times. Just about got him. There we go. There he is. Broken thread. I'll put that in my pocket. Put the bin later. Now all I'll do is I'll take the head off this old broken one, put it on the new one. That's what my little spanner's for. There we go, loosened it off. Just take that off. Take this fitting too. I should have just taken that off at one go rather than separate it. This is the new riser, already with some tape. Just screw this on, nice and tight. That's tight. I'll just make sure the sprinkler's done up tight enough. And we just put them back in here. Screw it down. Nice and tight. There we go. Back in business. Just fill that back in. She's all done, ready to go.